sauce. Sausage. Then we got dumpling skin, egg whites, tomato sauce or ketchup, scissors. Lastly, we got silicone brush. First, we're going to bring the dumpling skin. Then we're going to get the egg whites. Glue it here. And then after that, we're going to just roll it here. Wait, wrong way. Also, oh my god, no. Okay, there you go. Okay, so it's like this, and after that, we're going to cut this part. Hold up. Okay, we're gonna cut this. Put this down. Yes, it's finally ready. Now we're going to plate things. We're going to test it out with some tomato sauce.